My name is Brandy Romine, and I am the Executive Director of HopeHouse OKC. Yeah, so HopeHouse OKC, we serve mothers and their children who are either currently homeless or facing homelessness, and we provide them with an opportunity to not only rebuild their lives, but also to rewrite their story. So we serve mothers coming from all different situations and backgrounds. And so some of the moms we serve are trying to break the cycle of addiction. Other moms are leaving an abusive relationship. And then we serve some moms who sit across from us and they say, we've lived in poverty our whole lives and we want to break that cycle. We no longer want that life. And so even though all the situations are different about the families that we serve, one thing remains the same, and that is that every mom that we serve has this deep desire and motivation to turn their lives around. And they sit across from us, and even if they don't have it all figured out, they sit across from us and they say, we want something different, we want a new life. So families, once they are accepted into our program, they move into a fully furnished living space, and they begin their journey with us of 1 to 2 years. And the first year of our program, mothers are attending classes with us 2 days per week. And these classes, we teach classes on self-worth and parenting and healthy relationships, time management, all the good things that any of us in life need to be healthy. And then the other 3 days per week, families are either picking a path towards education or employment. If they pick the education path, they are going to OSU OKC through our partnership with the Center for Social Innovation. And if they are picking the employment path, they work with one of our community partners. The funds provided by Tabor Homes will allow us to continue serving many more moms and children. And we recently entered into this new exciting phase of the organization where we are expanding over the next 3 years. And so this funding will go towards that expansion. Yeah, if people want to get connected, they can go to our website at hopehouseokc.com. And there are tabs there for people to get connected by making a donation. There are also opportunities to volunteer and to get involved with us.